Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning for the judges. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Shifa Aulia Alhaq, and I'm from Stikes Mitra Husada Karanganyar, Study Program Health Information Management. I'm as the opening government. As the Prime Minister, I would like to define and to give the limitation about this motion today. The motion today is this House believes that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. I'm from team the government are agree with this motion. If the developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have minimum quota of hiring local workers. Before I deliver my reason why I'm agree about this motion today, I would like to define what is the companies. Company is a legal operate a business, commercial or industrial, and then the enterprise of the business. A company might be organized in a various ways for tax and financial liability purposes, depending on the corporate law. It is joint direction. The foreign companies is the company are managed by the foreign people or have the business in these countries. In the country, in the world, are have a lot of foreign companies of their countries, especially on the developing countries such as in Indonesia. These foreign countries can make the increasingly of the stock exchange in the places of this country. As you know, according from Economic Observe cite that the companies can improve the state stock, can improve the social welfare, and then they can improve the health of the local communities and can attract foreign investors at this country. After that, the foreign companies can improve the social welfare on the local communities. If the developing countries especially have the policy, if these foreign companies must have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. To make this policy to give the foreign companies must have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. It can be reduced the level of unemployment of this country. As you know, the developing country have a lot of people, such as in Indonesia, more than 270 million souls in here. And then, if the foreign companies are implemented of the minimum quota of hiring local workers, it can be increasingly of the job opportunity in the developed countries. Of course, it can be more reduced of the level of unemployment of the countries. However, the quota to workers in this foreign company can make increasingly of quality of life in these communities. If the quality of life the communities are increasingly, is also the prospective level at this country are increasingly too. It's the benefit of the country and benefit for all of the government system. So, have a minimum quota of hiring local workers are the best choice to give the more benefits, to give the more benefits for country and for communities. It can improve the prosperity level and can improve the state stocks of this country. So I cite again that if I have minimum quota for hiring local workers for the foreign companies are hiring implemented in the country, especially in Indonesia. Community welfare is paramount. Thank you.